Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2002 Tige 20i. It's a 20-foot ski boat. This boat is absolutely in great shape. The exterior is pretty clean, red and white. Got a nice real teak on the back swim platform. Inside this used boat, you can see the bench seat in the back with speakers. Got a nice seat. There's storage underneath that seat there. The bow. You can see that this boat is in amazing condition. There's no rips or tears in the seat. This boat was definitely covered every time it was not in use. There's your helm. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.